So the time has come to finally pack up camp and head off. So bit of a mixed emotions, because as we wake up it's a glorious day and we can see the sun on the rocks and the snow still there, the sound of the stream. It's been an amazing place. I couldn't have asked for a better place to stay. It was a bit cold at times in the first week or two when it was hitting -8 and we were, you know, reserved on our heating. That was tough, but this has been great, and I'd love to just do it another few months. And I think when we do eventually retire one day, then it'll be somewhere like this, off grid, in the middle of nowhere. And I think it's a good way to spend your time. So plan today is to head to our storage lockup and pick up our skis, ski boots, and a few other things as well, winter stuff that we've bought since we've been here, and we don't want to keep on the van all the time because there's not enough room. So we're going to go and pick that up. We're going to go and get some shopping, some quick easy food to eat on the way, because our van's going to be full. It's going to be difficult to cook and move around, so we're going to get some easy food just to eat, and then yeah, start making our way north to the ferry. And the ferry's not till Sunday, and today is Thursday, so we've got a few days. So we're going to have a few more nights, I guess, camping out. It's just I wonder where they'll be and if they'll be anywhere nice, but we'll see. Right, join us as we venture north. This might be the most interesting Corona video I do yet, but we'll see. Right, see you guys. Right, we have been able to get all of our stuff back onto the van now. The wood boxes on the back, they store loads of stuff. We've got a big bag on the back, got a bag on the front with cub boxes, got the trasharoo which is rammed, skis are on the roof. So yeah, everything's packed now. You can hear that jingle, it must be Rupert. He's back from the vets and ready to travel.
So we started.
Well, we are at a much better spot tonight. If you've been following kind of our Instagram stories and stuff, you'll know that last night we stayed in a pretty grim car park. But we got up at sunrise and we set off early, and I'm glad we did, because it meant we could do 2 or 3 hours before we had breakfast, then another 2 or 3 hours. And we've been able to spend the afternoon at this like kind of lovely spot right by the water. So we're about 120 miles from Calais today, and it is, what day is it? It's Friday. Thanks for the watch, Jones. It's Friday, and we've got tomorrow, and then our ferry is on Sunday, so we might just hang out here for the day tomorrow, because we're only 120 miles away and our ferry isn't till 12 o'clock on Sunday, so we've got plenty of time to just make our way there. So I don't know, just one last enjoyment of this lifestyle that we've got. Me and Steph are just gonna have a nice glass of wine at the picnic bench and just watch the sunset. So it's Saturday morning and we get our ferry tomorrow lunchtime. We stayed at this place last night and it was, I think it's the quietest place we've slept in a long time. When we stayed up in the Alps there was the river flowing and it was always quite loud, you might have picked up on the audio. Whereas here it's just, you just hear the birds and sometimes the wind blows and you see the trees just move and they rustle. It's really nice, it's really nice. And as much as we're enjoying this moment, there's also the realisation that it's probably going to be the last time for a while, I reckon, till we can do this again. But we are going to do it again, and that's the main thing. And when we do it again, it's just going to be ace. We're going to be able to have friends with us. Anyway, there's one more noise here at this lake. Did you hear it? There's this huge fish. I think this is a fishing lake. So I'm going to go and check them out. I don't know if I can catch one. I don't know if we can eat them, but I'm going to go and have a look at them. So let's see. We stopped here last night, and it's a place that we've stopped before, just before getting the ferry. It's about 90 minutes drive away from the ferry, which is far enough away to be quiet enough not to be hassled. But they put barriers across the air, so you couldn't go inside the air where the water fill up is and stuff, and the drain. So we're not going to move the barriers, we don't want to do that, but yeah, it's just a show of kind of what they're doing over in France. They are closing quite a few of the airs to stop people from to moving around. Yeah, van's all ready to go. Gonna set off now, and then today we're going to be in the UK. The only good thing about this is that I get to see a mate that I haven't seen for ages, absolutely ages. I haven't been in the UK for 6 months or 7 months or whatever, so it'd be nice to do that.